are back. Today you all get to see finally what is in our Whitman sampler tin. It is our survival tin. So that's what we keep in the truck. Let's get started. Right, we've got Clark's to-go wipes. You never know when you need those. Got some nail polish that we put in there for bug bites, for sealing up wounds, or sealing up little holes in a tent or something like that. Got a bullfrog tactical knife.
You never know when you need a knife.
Yeah, never know when you're going to need a bullfrog. This is what the knife looks like. I have a thing for green, and I have a thing for frogs, so it's perfect for me. We've also got a little flashlight, and it works. It's a little LED light.
Very handy, very handy.
Very bright, too. Got, let's see, 2 little tea lights. Never know when you'll need those. Come in handy.
Well, I mean, a candle, it's always useful.
Yep. Here's the candle. Alright, and we've got a bigger candle from our wedding set that I've also got duct tape wrapped around. And how many yards of fishing line do I have in there?
10 feet, isn't it?
I have about 10 feet, maybe? 10 feet, maybe, of fishing line. You can see it kind of poking out right there. Little green fishing line. We've got some big zip ties. Oh, there's another big zip tie hiding in there. Oh, there's another little candle. Never have too many candles. Benadryl itch spray. I have a tendency to get bit from whatever is out there, so that comes in very handy for me. Got a handy dandy multi-tool here. Everybody needs a little multi-tool. Haven't really used it that much, but pretty much the same thing as most multi-tools have. Got notebook paper, kinda. Little sticky note paper. Need to write a note. Got tweezers. If you happen to get glass stuck in you, or what normally do you get stuck in you that you need tweezers for?
Splinter.
Splinter! Yes! I'm losing my mind today, people. Got 2 packets of hot hands. Last over 10 hours. We use these in the winter a lot. Especially if we go to parades or out hunting or something like that. They come in handy. Very, very handy. Awesome stuff. Got a packet of cleansing wipes. Got a packet of gauze. There is, I think I got these for free. And they're little things you stick on you so bugs won't bite you, and mosquitoes, stuff like that. I'm not sure where I got those from. I got them free. So something else I stuck in there. I think I need a sporn. Always need a sporn. Little thing of hand sanitizer. A cool Duracell screwdriver. What do you think about that? That's cool. Little big screwdriver. Yeah. Little spool of thread. Just in case you happen to need to stitch up any wounds or anything like that. And for that, have a few different sizes of needles. Just in case. Also comes in handy if you need to repair a tin or something like that. An ink pen for the notebook paper. Another cleansing wipe. about 10 or so razor blades. Well, I just dropped those. And in this little container right here, we've got a packet of matches, some Band-Aids, I think 3 Band-Aids in here. No? More Band-Aids. Yeah, 4 Band-Aids. And last but not least, small little zip ties. And as you can see, there's nothing else in there, but we crammed that sucker full. We also crammed the Whitman sampler tin full too. That's everything that we have. Hope you all enjoyed it. If you have any questions, just mention it in the bottom and we'll get back to you. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.